What's up, internet world? Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you guys some pretty saucy hairstyles to spice up your look. You guys some very cute, unique hairstyles that you can do all on your own, and you could be strutting and showing your outfit and you'll look pretty stylish. Add a little more pop, a little more touch to your fit. Let's just get into this video. So go ahead and brush out that hair. Make sure it is super soft and there are no knots. I'm also going to put in this anti-frizz oil in my hair. So I'm just putting a little bit in my hand and then putting it in the back of my hair along with the ends. Now I'm just taking this comb and I'm gonna brush out my hair one more time, making sure there isn't too much oil and it's all nice. So now I'm just separating my hair. I'm leaving 2 little strands in the front to frame my face, and then I'm taking the top layer of my hair and I'm just pulling it back. I kind of just eyeball this and I decide how much hair I want to be pulled up back. And I go ahead and I feel around of where my hairline is, removing or adding pieces. As you guys can see right here, this is my hairline, and you can use a brush or a pencil and really straighten that out if you want that firm edge, but I like mine to just be messy, so that is why I eyeball it. And once you get that, I'm getting a scrunchie because scrunchies just add more texture, and I'm putting that through the hair tie, but I'm not going to put it all the way through. I'm leaving it a little bit, and then I wrap it around the hair and tie it into a little bun. Once I have this bun, I get the ends of my hair and wrap it around, and then I bunch it up and I add a hair tie around that. I also went ahead and bunched it up again, and instead of using a bobby pin to fix it up, I just went ahead and added another hair tie in there to make it look more messy and more poofy. So there you go, now you have a cute little half up, half down bun hairstyle. For this next hairstyle, I am again leaving these 2 little pieces up at the front, and I'm putting the rest of my hair in the back so that it doesn't get in my way. And then I'm grabbing these front pieces of my hair and just separating them and pulling them back. This will be your little braid. So I go ahead and grab a hair tie and just lightly put the hair tie around it just to separate it. You can also use a clip or whatever you want. And then I am doing the same thing on the other side. And I am tying my hair up in the back right here so that way it doesn't get in the way. I just went ahead and put it up in a ponytail. So now you can take those little hair ties out and you can start separating those pieces into 3 strands so that way you can do your braid. This part is pretty simple. You just want to do a regular braid all the way down. If you guys want, you can always add beads into this braid. So I don't have any tiny little rubber bands, but I am just using my regular hair tie to tie that off at the end, and then I'll take it out later. Go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Because I don't have little rubber bands to make my braid stay, I kind of just pressed it down and it stayed like that. But if it doesn't stay, you guys can always add gel or some hairspray and it'll stay in place. So now I am just taking out this ponytail, and I like my ponytails to be high, so I'm going to bring that way up and make it higher. And oh my gosh guys, my bangs kept getting in my face and I could not see, so if y'all see me messing with my bangs, that's why. So now I am adding these little hair clips to my hair. You guys can add any hair accessories you want. It definitely just adds a little bit more, and honestly it can make a whole statement. If you guys aren't a fan of the high ponytail, you can always do a cute little low ponytail. So this next hairstyle is also a half up, half down hairstyle. So I am taking the first layer of my hair on my right side first, and I am just bringing that up into a high ponytail. I'm making sure that I brush out my hair as I'm pulling it up. That way I don't have any knots in my hair and it doesn't get all knotted up in the hair tie. And there you go, you guys can rock this little one ponytail up look. I love it. It gives me like rock star vibes. If the one ponytail isn't for you, you can go ahead and start separating your hair on the other side, and you can do 2 little half up, half down pigtails. I also love this hairstyle. I think it's just really fun and it just like reminds me of my childhood. Next look is also a half up, half down style. I know, me with my half up, half down dudes, but you know what, they're just so fun. So you want to go ahead and separate your hair completely half up, half down. I add more hair up into the ponytail And this also just creates a look of you having just one big long ponytail. This is a hack that I use all the time with my hair straightened or curly. It just, instead of giving a half up, half down hair look, it kind of gives a look of just one big long ponytail. So this next hairstyle is super easy. I always do it on my lazy days. So I'm just gonna go ahead and split my hair into 2 sections, straight down the middle, and then I am pulling one side out and tying that into a low ponytail and doing the same on the other side. And there you go, super easy, super simple. Now instead of doing low pigtails, I'm doing super high ones. And there you go. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was really fun making this video. I love experimenting. With different hairstyles, and it really changes up your whole look of your outfit. Peace out.